Hello everyone, this is Mio. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be going to make a tie-dye shirt inspired by Utah Jazz. First, I remove the lace from the waistline. Next, I flatten the shirt and insert the one leg opening to the other. Make sure that the seams are aligned. After that, do the accordion fold. We are now done with the fold. Let's proceed now to the dye application. The first color is yellow. The second one is golden yellow. The third one is orange. The fourth is berry red. Maroon. The last is color black. Just repeat on the other side. Make sure to open the pleats and apply some dyes to reduce the white areas. Rinse after 2 days. Rinse until the water becomes clear before putting Syntrapol or Sunrox Color Safe. This is now the result. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.